Good morning. Welcome to Mom Talk Thursday. This is your mom friend and your parenting coach Divya. So how is everybody today? Okay. And जब तक सारे आते हैं, I always tell you how my week has been, what new things have been happening. So I'm going to do that as well. So I have been doing YouTube lives from almost 2 weeks, no, almost 10 days now. And I'm super proud that I show up every day, take one question on my YouTube, and then I answer it for you. So if you have not checked it out, go do check it out. Okay. And today's question was very interesting, that what do I do if my child wants the same thing as what the other person has. You know, it was about smart watches. So have you dealt with this कि अगर आपके जैसे उसके the mother said कि my son wants a smart watch जो उसके friend के पास है. मैंने कहा आज तो यही क्वेश्चन लेंगे क्योंकि हमारे साथ ये हो चुका है 6 महीने पहले कि my son also wanted a smart watch because everybody in the society, in the school had a smart watch. Okay. So today, go check my YouTube out. I have just finished the live there. It's just a 5-10 minutes live that I do to answer the questions for you. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Divya. I come here every Thursday, 11 o'clock. If you have a question, do not put it in the comments. Put it on bottom right. There's a question mark there. Put it there, please. Okay. And if you are coming back, then thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for supporting me always. Hi Sheetal. And who else has said hi to me? Let me just check. At the end of the video, I generally call someone to come online and talk to me about one of the parenting questions, problems that they have, but only give a request अगर आप okay है, because all this goes in recording and we use it for our social media as well. Okay, so if you're not okay coming online, that's okay. मगर लेकिन अगर आप में से कोई online आना चाहता है और मेरे से सवाल पूछना चाहता है, then please just send me a request and I'll accept it. Okay, whatever questions you have, please put it in the question mark column. Hi Vani, and who else has joined? Okay. And also whenever you put a question, please put your child's age as well. Question 1 is 6-year-old, and okay, Sheetal is writing some question. I'm going to give her time because the question is half. I can see that. Tab tak Wani has sent a question here. Earlier my daughter was very confident and used to talk to everybody very well, but since some time she has become very quiet and she does not talk to anybody. First of all, I would really like to know the age of your child. If your age of your child is somewhere around 12, 13, 14 years of age, it is very normal because they are going through a teenage phase. वो खुद को, like they themselves are figuring out कि करना क्या है, you know. So please mention your child's age, Mani, so that I can help you better. Okay, and please put your question in the question tab, which is on the bottom right. Okay. So I am going to assume that your child is, she's 5 years old only. Okay, so I'll take Vani's question again. So Vani says, my 5-year-old daughter was very confident and used to talk to everybody very well, but since some time she has become very quiet and does not talk to anybody. Okay, now changes happen in children. Sometimes क्या होता है कि changes happen for a reason. Sometimes there's an incident that has happened because of which बच्चा एकदम चुप हो गया है. So I'm sure you must have asked her in different ways why you're not talking, what is happening, what is not happening. But do it in this way. Okay, point number 1. See what all around her has changed. Is there a change around her? Matlab, has there any new person who has come? Have you shifted from the place? Has her friends shifted from there? You know, has the school में कुछ change हुआ है, या फिर स्कूल में टीचर चेंज हुए, स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स चेंज हुए, स्कूल में से उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड चली गई है, or something has happened which is a big change for her. Maybe it's a small change for you, but it's a big change for her. So try to figure that out first. If you think there has been no change at all, you know, आपको लग रहा है कि कोई change ही नहीं हुआ है, everything is the same, you know, घर में कोई change नहीं है, कोई कहीं move नहीं करा है, कोई कहीं नहीं गया है, then try to understand कि why she is behaving like this. कहीं किसी ने उसको कुछ बोला तो नहीं है, कहीं किसी टीचर ने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला, नीचे किसी ने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला. And most importantly, do not push her and tell her that you used to be very confident, now you are very quiet. In fact, your approach should be कि बेटा आप एकदम से ऐसे चुप हो गए हो, आजकल क्या हो गया है, इज देयर एनीथिंग आई कैन हेल्प यू विद? नो, आई एम फाइन. The child may say that. Be like, okay. And then you start playing with the child. You start bringing that childness out of her. Okay. बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस इस चीज से डिटरमाइन नहीं होता है कि वो बाहर जाके कितने लोगों से बात करता है. लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट एंड क्लियर अबाउट इट. Some children love to talk, some children don't like to talk. Okay, so you cannot say कि my child is confident or not confident क्योंकि वो लोगों से बात नहीं करते. That's a choice. My son doesn't talk to everybody because it's his choice, but he's very, very confident. So do not define your child's confidence based on that. But if a child has suddenly become quiet, then I will ask you to do the following. One, see why there is, one is you check if there is a change in the house. You check कि घर में कोई change तो नहीं है, कहीं कोई गया तो नहीं है, कोई नई चीज तो नहीं है, कोई फ्रेंड्स में कोई चेंज तो नहीं है. सेकेंड, किसी ने उसको कुछ बोला तो नहीं है. एंड थर्ड, आई वॉन्ट यू टू इन्वाइट हर टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वाई दिस इज हैपनिंग. ओके, ट्राई दिस एंड लेट मी नो. ओके, नाउ शीतल सेज माई बेबी इज 6 year old एंड सेकेंड चाइल्ड इज 5 years old. दोनों भी बहुत मारामारी करते हैं एंड दोनों के लिए मैं क्या बोलती हूँ कुछ सुनते नहीं है. इट्स लाइक यू हैविंग ट्विन्स ओनली, 5 and 6 year. 1 year age gap is not an age gap. Okay, now as I always say, once you have a sibling, there is no shortcuts for it. Please remember शीतल, कोई आपको मैं ऐसे एक पिल नहीं दे सकती और मैं बोल दूँ आपको कि नहीं कल से आपके बच्चे नहीं झगड़ेंगे या कल से आपके बच्चे आपकी बात सुनेंगे. ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. ठीक है, बट क्या है इज दैट यू बिकमिंग मोर कॉन्शियस एज टू हाउ यू डील विद देम. आप दोनों के रूटीन्स कैसे सेट करते हो, आप दोनों को कंपेयर करते हो कि नहीं करते हो, आप दोनों में रेफरी बन रहे हो और कितना रेफरी बन रहे हो. देखो, जहां दो बच्चे होंगे ना वो लड़ेंगे ही लड़ेंगे. एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे आर गोइंग टू फाइट. एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे आर गोइंग टू बी अ डिसएग्रीमेंट. एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे विल से आई डोंट लाइक यू, आई डोंट लाइक यू, एंड दे विल लुक फॉर योर अटेंशन बिकॉज दे बोथ वॉन्ट योर अटेंशन. ओके, सो देर इज नो वन मैजिक पिल कि ये कर लो और नहीं होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा. You have to make an effort of one, setting their routines very clearly between both of them, who is supposed to do what. Two, spending time with both of them. I generally say you should spend 10 or 20 minutes separately with your children. If you cannot do that, then please spend at least 20 minutes together with your child. Okay? एंड जो आप मुझे बोल रहे हो ना कि वो हमारी कोई बात नहीं सुन रहा है, वो आपकी इसलिए कोई बात नहीं सुन रहा है बिकॉज दोनों खेलने में बहुत बिजी है एंड यू डू नॉट हैव राइट नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर इन प्लेस. एंड आई कैन टेल यू दैट बिकॉज जिस तरीके से आपने मुझे क्वेश्चन लिखा, आई कैन टेल यू, आप बाउंड्री सेट कर रहे हो, आप उसको फॉलो अप नहीं कर पाओगे. आप बाउंड्री सेट कर रहे हो बट आप खुद ही उसको छोड़ देते हो. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज यू आर वेरी ओवर टायर्ड. आपको ये देखना है कि वो मेरी कौन सी बात नहीं सुन रहा है एंड उसके बाद यू हैव टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू गिव योर चाइल्ड दैट स्किल. ओके, यहाँ पे आई विल शेयर वन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज ये सुबह मेरे साथ हुआ है एंड इट मेड मी रिफ्लेक्ट. सो इफ यू आस्क मी, 3 months बैक तक जोरावर यूज टू टेक, मतलब ही वुड गेट अप ऑन टाइम, he would take bath by himself, he would get ready by himself. All I had to do was I just had to be around him. But suddenly from last 3 months that's not happening. Waking him up is an issue. Then he's like, I want you to make me wear things, I want you to do this, I want you to do that. And today specifically I was getting very irritated. Why? Because today वो जो हमारा जो होता है ना कि morning issues कि maid नहीं आई, खाना नहीं बना, you know how that entire irritation is. And I was getting more and more irritated कि भैया तो खुद कर ले, you know how to do it, I've given you the skills to do it, why you're not doing it? Okay, but what do you think happened? जितना मैं उसको पुश कर रही थी ना वो करने के लिए, उतना ही वो नहीं कर रहा था. इवन इफ आई हैव गिवन हिम द स्किल्स, यू नो व्हाट वाज मिसिंग एट दैट पॉइंट? इट वाज माय ओन कामनेस. इट वाज माय ओन कामनेस. और जितना मैं एजिटेट होती हूँ, बच्चा भी उतना ही एजिटेट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई स्टार्ट स्क्रीमिंग एंड शाउटिंग एंड आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग लाउडली विद यू, suddenly your energy will also shift. If I start talking very calmly with you and if I'm like, yes, what do you want to ask me? Tell me. Your energy will also shift even if you're talking to me through a mobile. Same thing happens in the house. जैसे ही बच्चा कुछ करने लगता है, आर एनर्जी शिफ्ट्स टू एंग्शियसनेस, आर एनर्जी शिफ्ट्स टू इरिटेशन, एंड चिल्ड्रन टेक दैट फ्रॉम यू. ओके, आपने देखा होगा जब आपको गुस्सा आ रहा होगा, यू आर इरिटेटेड, इंस्टेड ऑफ द फैक्ट कि बच्चा चुप हो जाए, द चाइल्ड इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग इरिटेटेड एंड दे स्टार्ट स्क्रीमिंग एंड शाउटिंग, एंड यू आर लाइक यार मतलब वाई इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Your child is not understanding because your child co-regulates with you. Please remember, if you are going to be calmer with your child is going to be calmer. If you are going to be irritated with your child is going to be irritated. Did you see the difference in my tone? Okay, so morning mein I was getting irritated and I literally was like, there was a point where I knew he had to wear his shoes, and there I can see on my mobile that the bus is almost here, and I'm telling him, Zoravar, you don't know you have to wear your shoes and this, that and everything. And see, in my head I know कि उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है because I teach all this. Okay, but in that moment to remember that, no, sometimes it takes effort. आता हमें सब कुछ है, but उस टाइम पे वो चीज को निकालना अपने में से is very difficult. So who has to be taken care of first? I need to take care of myself first, no? नहीं तो मैं इरिटेट होकर उसको बोलती रहूंगी, कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. मैं इरिटेट हुई, मेरा ही मूड खराब हुआ, वो तो अच्छा हंसता हंसता स्कूल चले गया. Okay, so then I came back and I asked myself, what is missing? Because I don't want to do this again. ये सुबह का जो टेंट्रम है ना, इसको सॉल्व करना है मुझे. When I think like this, then idea starts coming in. Maybe it is too much work for him. Maybe when I tell him to do everything together, उसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. He is just 6 years old. Okay, maybe he needs help with getting his क्या कहते हैं उसको bag ready. Maybe I need to make a flow chart for him. Maybe I need to go and help him, then leave him alone, then help him, divide it into parts. So I have to ask, how am I going to give him the skill to do it? Okay, same with any child. Instead of getting irritated on a child कि मेरे 6 साल के बच्चे को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कि this is not the time to play, क्योंकि नहीं आ रहा है. Very honestly, मैंने आज उसको ये भी बोला था, क्योंकि बस आने वाली है, and he goes to the balcony and he is like, मेरी जो मेथी मैंने लगाई थी किधर है मम्मा? And I was like, this is not the time to see methi, let's just go. But it didn't help, it just agitated him bit more. Now I'm going to ask you a question here, okay? Suppose आपको शादी पे जाना है, okay? आपको कितनी चीजें याद करनी होती है तैयार होने के लिए? How many things do you have to remember? Start putting the list in the comment box. If you're here for the first time, yes, I do ask you to put things in the comment box. So start putting the things in the comment box. Like, I have to get ready meal ke liye, I have to decide what clothes I have to wear, I have to take out my clothes, I have to take bath, I have to make my hair, I have to do my makeup, I have to put the jewelry on, I need my shoes, I need to press it if it is required. There is an entire list of things, right? Now imagine a 6-year-old, 10-year-old has to do it. Sometimes it is over processing for them. उनका ब्रेन इतना डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ होता है. और इमेजिन अगर आपको तैयार होके बाहर जाना है एंड योर हस्बैंड और somebody at the door is like, यार जल्दी करो, what are you doing? तुम अभी तक तैयार नहीं हुए हो, what is this? जा फटाफट हेयर करके आ जा अपने. Does that put you in a good mood or a bad mood? Do you feel pressured on yourself or you're like, हाँ यार मेरी गलती है यार, मेरे को करना चाहिए. बट वो करना चाहिए तो समझ में आ गया, बट इज इट पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन यू और इज इट टेकिंग द प्रेशर अवे फ्रॉम यू? Like today, the way I behaved with Zoravar was I was putting pressure on him because I was pressurized. So waterfall effect होता ना कि I was pressurized because मेरा सुबह का काम नहीं हुआ था. Suddenly maid didn't come and I had to do everything and I put that pressure on him and I'm telling him जल्दी करो. And I was putting the pressure on him. I was not helping him. It was only upsetting him more. In the same way, when I have to walk out of the house and someone comes and tells me कि दिव्या जल्दी कर, तो इतनी लेट क्यों हो गई है, तुझे पता नहीं है अभी तक तूने जूते नहीं पहने हुए, जूते पहन फटाफट. Do you feel very happy getting out of the house or you get agitated getting out of the house? इसका आंसर मुझे चाहिए. Happy or irritated when you get out of the house? How do you feel? Happy or irritated? कोई आंसर ही नहीं दे रहा है. बट फॉर मी इट इज इरिटेशन. Yes, I have to develop a skill that I get ready on time, you know. But that skill is not going to come with taunting. That skill is not going to come with pressure. That skill is going to come with awareness or inner motivation कि हाँ, I need to start doing it 10 minutes early, 15 minutes early, 20 minutes early. I should have started getting ready 20 minutes early. मेरे को पहले सामान बाहर रख लेना चाहिए. Same with children. ओके, यू कैन आस्क एनी ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन. ट्रस्ट में, जब आप बच्चे को जल्दी 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 करते हो ना हर चीज के लिए, चिल्ड्रन गेट एंग्शियस. चिल्ड्रन गेट वेरी एंग्शियस. मेरे को तो जोरावर कितनी बार बोल चुका है कि मम्मा प्लीज डोंट टेल मी जल्दी करो जल्दी करो. सो आई वन डे आस्क्ड हिम, आई सेड व्हाई, व्हाट डू यू फील? कहता आई डोंट फील गुड. कर रहा हूं ना, आई विल डू इट. क्योंकि हमको क्या होता है ना, वी समटाइम्स आर सो लाइक, आई एम समवन हु इज ऑलवेज इन जल्दी 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 करो, एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेंज दैट एज अ पर्सन. As a person, I'm like, yeah, be in the moment, it is okay. 5 minutes late is not going to be a problem. But because it is so ingrained in me कि मुझे change होने में time लग रहा है. But I can see the effect on my child. So my child gives it back to me and say, Mama, it's okay. I'm coming, no? Like a simple thing. जैसे lift आ गई. I can hold the lift for 2 minutes, right? And I'm telling him, Zohar, जल्दी आओ ना, जल्दी आओ, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? And then he looked around, he said, Mama, I'm coming, 1 minute. I'm just getting my cycle. And then he said, Mama, don't push me. सब कुछ जल्दी 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 नहीं होता मेरे से. So try to understand it from your child's point of view as well. And अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो पूछ लो बच्चों से. They'll be very honestly telling you things. Okay? So the whole crux of this entire thing was that I realized in the morning that I need to now start breaking down his morning routine. I need to be more organized, because if I am irritated, my child is irritated. If my child is irritated, my entire day goes in irritation. And I sent him to school also irritated. Though I did not send him to school irritated, because I very quickly now come back. Like if I'm irritated, by the time we reached back, I knew how to get him back. You know, I know how to joke with him. I know what to do him, tickle him, play with him for 2 minutes so that his mood becomes better. But all that comes with awareness. Okay? Okay, now let me take another question. My boy is 9-year-old. If I ask him for some work, like can you bring a glass of water or can you bring your bag from the living room, he mostly avoids and says, Mama, I'm tired, why don't you go and get it? Don't know how to tackle it. Don't do anything, wait. He knows you're in a hurry. Wait. The problem is because आप मम्मियाँ कर देते हो ना, इसीलिए बच्चे को लगता है एक बार कर दिया, 2 बार कर दिया, 10 बार और कर देंगे, तो वो क्यों लेके आएंगे? देखो, once in a while it is okay to do it. Once in a while you can understand your child is tired. Once in a while you understand your child don't want to do it. It's okay. We also like to be pampered. Maybe they also likes to be pampered. But if your child says, I'm not going to go and get this bag from the living room, then just sit there, start doing your own work. Tell him, whenever you're ready to get it, we'll start with your homework. Until the time the homework is not finished, I don't think you can go down to play. So it's a choice you have to make. Yes, बच्चों को अच्छा लगेगा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Yes, he is going to be like, what are you, mama? You don't love me anymore. Can't you get it? You can always say, I can always get it. But it is your responsibility to get it, and I'm just trying to be making you more responsible. That's it. It's a very simple thing. आप बच्चे के लिए चीजें करते हो, इसीलिए वो आपको करवाता है. This happens with me also. 99% of the time, Zoravar will put his shoes in the shoe rack. Okay? 1% of the time, and it happens that वो आता है घर, जानबूझ के घर के अंदर तक जूते लेके आएगा, उतारेगा और बोलेगा, माँ आज रख दो ना, please, with a very sweet smile. And sometimes I do it also. Why? Because it's been 15-20 days वो खुद रख रहा है, एक दिन मैं रख दूंगी तो problem नहीं होगी. But then I give him a kiss and I tell him, you don't feel like doing it. He said, no. I said, but you're going to do it tomorrow for sure. Yes, mama. And I keep it. But if the next day he does the same thing, I don't pick up his shoes. I just tell him, Baba, it's your responsibility. It's going to be kept here till the time you don't pick it up. This happened yesterday also. He came, he just put shoes utare. He was busy. He was excited to go somewhere. So the फटाफट जूते उतारे, shoes उतारे to go and change. Okay, it was right at the door. My help came after 2 hours. She picked it up. I told my help, keep everything back there. I said, I didn't ask you to pick it up. कहते नहीं, वो बाबू ने यहाँ छोड़ दिया. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, तुम छोड़ दो, मैंने नहीं बोला आपको उठाने के लिए. देन उसके बाद देन जोरावर 2 घंटे 3 घंटे शूज वही पड़े रहे, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उससे. उसके बाद when he was done with his everything, I just calmly told him, I said, Zoravar, shoes are kept there, you know where it goes. Mama, I will do it after this. I said, it's your choice, but it's going to be there only जब तक आप उठाओगे नहीं. After 5 minutes he went and picked it up. So patience हम में नहीं है to wait. Patience उनमें है. They have all the patience to tell you, you do it for me. And because आप जल्दी में हो ना, आप कर भी दोगे बच्चों के लिए. And they know it. So this is how they will manipulate you and you're like, मेरा बच्चा कुछ करता नहीं है. भैया अगर आप अपने बच्चे के लिए हर काम करोगे तो वो क्यों करेगा? Correct? 1 second. Okay. This is the last question I'm going to take. उसके बाद if there's anyone who wants to come online and talk to me and ask me the question, please let me know in comments. I'll call you. But please remember, all these things gets recorded. I cannot delete it later. So only if you're comfortable to come online and talk, please come. So the next one is 3-year-old boy suddenly behaved like he got freedom. Initially, he is with me in the park as well, but now he is ready to go alone and his cycle, ready to do things independently. Now it's difficult to convince him. But you do have to give independence, my darling. The more the children grow, the more independence they need. The more they will say, I need to go out. The lesser they need you, which is good. If your concern is about safety, then you need to tell, okay, if you need that independence of cycling by yourself, then this is point A, this is point B. Okay, you said this is point A, this is point B. Point B, which should be somewhere where you can see your child. And say that you can go from point A to point B so that I can see you. And you need to stop there. In case you do not stop there, the next time mama is going to walk with you and you have to come with me only. So you have to start giving this small independence to your child. अगर पहले आपका बच्चा पार्क में आपके साथ खेलता था और अब भाग जाता है, which is a very good thing. Children need independence. You cannot keep them like this. अभी धीरे धीरे करके their friends are going to become everything. Your child is only 3 years old. Your role as a parent is only to keep them safe, to be on the sidelines, to see what they are doing. Especially during park, especially during evening times. The more they play with their own friends, the more developmental growth they get. Why? Because they are in the same age group of people. हम कभी भी बच्चे जैसे नहीं खेल सकते, no matter how much we try. They need same age children to play with them. Okay? So don't worry, it's okay. Children need independence. अभी से independence देना शुरू करोगे, then only they will realize. But हाँ, you have to keep them safe, you have to keep them secure. So have those boundaries in place before you go to the park, before you go cycling. Tell your child what is acceptable, tell your child what is not acceptable. And in those boundaries, give your child the freedom. Okay? Okay, someone asked me where to put the questions. The question goes on the bottom right. Question mark wala place mein. There's a bottom right question mark. So just put your questions there. Neha Singh, I didn't see your question only. Neha, I have not got any question from you in the tab of questions. I'm only taking the questions from there because otherwise it just keeps going in the comments. See, you only see comments. I see everybody who is joining. I see everybody's hi. I see everybody who is leaving. I see all the comments. So it is too much information for me to process when I do Instagram live. So that's why I say, if you do not want your question to be missed, please put it bottom right. Okay. And I haven't got anyone's request to come online. So that's okay. So we're going to take 2 more questions for today. Okay. And while I take the question, just one update. The next masterclass is next Friday. So go to my bio. If you want to attend the free masterclass, you can go to the bio. In the link, the registration link is there in my bio. Go register it for next Friday masterclass. It is in the morning and the timing is written there. Yeah. Neha, my boy is 6-year-old. He is suffering from constipation. He is scared of toilet training. I am not the right person to give you advice on constipation. I am not a doctor, very honestly. And your child is 6 years old. Neha, I think it is a little late for your child for toilet training. I'm sorry, I didn't understand your question, so I don't want to judge you for it. But if your child is going through constipation, then the best thing is to go and see a doctor so that it doesn't become too much of an, like it doesn't become a problem, because your child is having a discomfort. Please go see a doctor. वो discomfort की वजह से they don't want to go to the toilet also, because it's a discomfort. They are relating toilet with discomfort. They are relating going to the washroom with the discomfort. It's a negative association they have. Okay, I'm sure your 6-year-old is toilet trained, because my 6 children are generally toilet trained, so I'm not going to comment on that, because you have not written clearly what the question is. But if your child is having constipation, please go to the doctor. I'm not the right person to answer that for you. Okay, हाउ टू काम अ स्टबन चाइल्ड. यार मैं एक बात बोलूँ, आप लोग मेरे से ना एक एक ऐसे ऐसे सवाल पूछते हो जिसका एक लाइन में आंसर नहीं है, ना ही कोई मैजिक पिल है. ओके, हाउ टू काम अ स्टबन चाइल्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग दैट गोज बिहाइंड अ स्टबन चाइल्ड. लाइक आई ऑलवेज से, पेन देखा है, पेन है, जैसे ये देख लो, ये नेल है ना, दिस इज द ओनली स्टबननेस दैट यू सी इन द चाइल्ड. यू आर नॉट सीइंग व्हाट इज बिलो दैट स्टबननेस. Why that stubbornness is coming? Maybe there's a need that is not getting met. Maybe that child needs power. Maybe that child needs more love. See, when do you become stubborn as a pet, as an individual? When do you become stubborn? When do you become stubborn as a parent or as an individual? आपके और आपके हस्बैंड की लड़ाई हुई है, या आपके और आपके फ्रेंड की लड़ाई हुई है. When do you become stubborn? When you are hurt. When you need the power, when you feel I am not loved. Okay, so you need to understand वो stubbornness के पीछे क्या रीजन है. सिंपल थिंग, जैसे आज का मैं सुबह इंस्टेंट बता दूं, अगर आई एम गोइंग एंड टेलिंग जरा why are you doing this, you are not doing this, you know, why you are not wearing your shoes, and I am literally telling him what to do and I am showing my anxiety on him. There was a point he's like, मैं नहीं जा रहा स्कूल, बात ही खत्म, मैं नहीं जा रहा स्कूल. Why? Because he didn't like the way I was talking to him. When he was not liking the way I was talking to him, he said, I'm not going to go to school, do whatever you want to do. Just being stubborn. Why? Because he got hurt. So I can't see his stubbornness that he's rude to me, that I'm not going to go to school. I'm going to see the fact that I hurt him, he got hurt. That is why he's saying what he's saying, to hurt me back. So when I understand that, I will quickly turn around my approach to him. Instead of saying, ऐसे कैसे स्कूल नहीं जाओगे तुम, what is this, and instead of escalating it 10 times, I will try to de-escalate it. I will take 1 minute and I'll play with my child. I'll tickle my child. I'll say, sorry, I said like this. You know, chalo ye kar lete hai. You know, they just need little bit of love and affection and little bit of redirection. If your child is very young. If your child is old, if your child is above the age of 8, 9, 10 years of age, and if they do not know how to calm themselves down, then you have to teach them. और इससे मुझे याद आया, आई कीप टीचिंग यू गाइज व्हील ऑफ चॉइस, व्हील ऑफ चॉइस. सो दिस इज मदर हु राइट्स टू मी वन डे कि मैम योर व्हील ऑफ चॉइस डजंट वर्क ऑन माई चाइल्ड. ओके, आई आस्क्ड देम द थिंग, भैया हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव यू ट्राइड? 1. 2, व्हील ऑफ चॉइस इज ओनली वन टूल. There are a lot of tools in positive discipline and you have to decide which tool to use when. अभी जैसे सुबह का इंसिडेंट है, Zorawar is saying I'm not going to go to school and he's having a major tantrum. Am I going to tell him, अच्छा बेटा come, I will show you the wheel of choice, what do you want to do? No, it doesn't work. That tool is not for that moment. The tool for that moment is connection. So you have to have a lot of tools in your bag to know कि किस time पे what I need to use. Okay, and this wheel of choice is something which is just one of the ways to tell kids how they can regulate their emotions. Another in my own, अभी जो मैं positive discipline की classes ले रही हूँ, उसमें one mother said कि मैम I have attended your wheel of choice on Instagram. I tried it with my child, but वो नहीं काम करता. I said, when did you try? She said when my child was very very angry, you know, तो मैंने उसको बोला what do you want to do? Do you want to punch a pillow? I said यही तो गलती कर दी तुमने सबसे पहले. कहती क्यों? मैंने कहा भाई मेरी एक बात बता, जब दिमाग बंद है, जब दिमाग चल ही नहीं रहा है तुम्हारा, तुम उस टाइम पे उसको क्या ऑप्शन दे रहे हो? Your brain is not working, your brain is very agitated, और उस टाइम पे you're saying you want me to punch a pillow? Do you want to go punch a pillow? If the child बोलता ना, the child would say I will punch you only. So you cannot give a choice to a child or even to adult when they are way into the tantrum. वो ना टैंट्रम का एक एस्केलेशन होता है. अगर वो टैंट्रम के एस्केलेशन के बिगिनिंग में यू कैन गिव अ व्हील ऑफ चॉइस, और एट द एंड ऑफ द टैंट्रम यू कैन गिव अ व्हील ऑफ चॉइस टू द चाइल्ड. कि अच्छा व्हील ऑफ चॉइस बोलो, और जस्ट द चॉइसेस दैट यू हैव टू काम योरसेल्फ डाउन. ओके, स्टार्टिंग और एंड. जब बच्चा पीक टैंट्रम में है, प्लीज डू नॉट गिव देम ऑप्शंस ऑफ हाउ दे वांट टू काम डाउन. The only way they're going to calm down is by co-regulating them, by giving them a hug if they want. Some children do not want hugs, like my child don't want a hug when he's angry. He will push you back and you have to respect it. Some children need space. Some children need time. Some children need masti. Some children need distraction. Figure it out. But ये peak of tantrum में do not give the choice. जब वो थोड़ा सा नीचे आ जाते हैं, when they are little better, when it's like एक ना बच्चे का ऐसा सीन आता है, यस मम्मा, सो यू कैन फील दैट द चाइल्ड इज कमिंग डाउन. देन आस्क देम, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू नाउ दैट यू वांट टू फील मोर कामर? आई वांट टू हग यू, और लेट्स जस्ट हग फॉर 5 minutes, और कैन आई प्ले फॉर 5 minutes, कैन आई go to my calming corner for 5 minutes. So it is after the tantrum has passed and the child is little better to think a little bit. Do not give a wheel of choice, or do not give them choices how to calm themselves down when they're angry. It's like I am angry on somebody because I'm so hurt with somebody, and that person comes and says, यार तू गुस्सा क्यों कर रही है, चल चल एक काम करते, let's punch the pillow, चल ऐसा कर, स्क्रिबल कर ले. नहीं, talk to me, regulate me, hug me, love me. That's all I need right now. Let me cry. ओके, चिल्ड्रन आर ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन, ह्यूमन्स ओनली. छोटे छोटे ह्यूमन्स है, हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन वो छोटे ह्यूमन से बड़े अडल्ट जितनी है. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. वेन एवर यू फील इरिटेटेड ऑन योर चाइल्ड, एक चीज याद रखना, एंड दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट. माई चाइल्ड इज ओनली, एंड पुट द एज देयर. माई चाइल्ड इज ओनली 3 years old. माई चाइल्ड इज ओनली 8 years old. माई चाइल्ड इज ओनली 12 years old. माई चाइल्ड इज ओनली 15 years old. I am 42 years old, still I get irritated when my help doesn't come because everything falls on me. तो वो तो बेचारा 6 साल का है सिर्फ. Right? I should manage my emotions better, no? But still I got irritated in the morning, correct? Why? Because the pressure, the timeline. So वो तो 6 साल का बच्चा है, वो तो 10 साल का बच्चा है, वो तो सीख रहा है अभी. Okay? Okay. So all of you who have joined new, if any one of you want to come online and chat with me, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, you can ask me live here and I'll answer it for you. Otherwise, this is the last question I'm going to take, okay? My daughter always do this thing कि जो भी मैं उसको मना करती हूँ, then उसको वही करना होता है always. And then the power struggle starts. Okay, so let me just tell the. Ekta says, my son is saying hi to you. Hi Ekta, I hope your son's exam went well and all the best for all the rest of the exams he has. So someone is saying, it's me Shobita, you want to come online? Then send me a request after this question, I'll get you online. But please remember, everything gets recorded, okay? And I cannot delete the recording later. Just be mindful of that. Okay, I'll get you online after this question. जो अभी जो क्वेश्चन मेरे से पूछा है, माई बेबी इज 4 year old एंड माई डॉटर ऑलवेज डू थिंग्स. जो भी मैं उसको मना करती हूँ उसको वही करना होता है, एंड इट गेट्स इन टू अ पावर स्ट्रगल. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, जब आपको पता है आपका इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग विल चाइल्ड है, ठीक है, कि वो वही करेगा जब आप उसको मना करोगे, देन यू फाइंड अ वे, राइट? A very simple thing. When I go to wake up my son every day, no, I tell him, I said, मेरे ऊपर चढ़ना नहीं है, I am not going to carry you today. That is my last resort when I want him to get into my arms so that I can take him to the bathroom. So I tell him, don't do this, you know, because please remember, strong will बच्चों को आप जितना मना करोगे ना किसी चीज के लिए, वो वही करेंगे. Okay, that doesn't mean that you do not form boundaries around them. Okay, that doesn't mean that you do not tell them what is right, what is wrong, but be very creative with it. ओके अगर मैं उसको मना, एंड अनदर थिंग प्लीज रिमेंबर, आवर ब्रेन डजंट अंडरस्टैंड नो, आवर ब्रेन डजंट अंडरस्टैंड नो. We all, there are 26 people here. I want you all to do one thing, okay? I do not want that you think of a pink elephant. And pink elephant with black dots तो बिल्कुल भी मत सोचना अभी. नहीं, पिंक एलिफेंट विद ब्लैक डॉट्स नहीं सोचेंगे हम कुछ और सोचेंगे. आप कुछ भी सोच लो बट आप ये नहीं सोचोगे. आप पिंक एलिफेंट विद ब्लैक डॉट्स नहीं सोचोगे. Now tell me how many of you here are thinking of a nice pink elephant with nice polka dots, black dots. Type yes. All those who are writing questions here, please put it in the question mark. And anyways, this is the last question I am taking. So if you have any questions, DM me. I will take it on my YouTube live. I do it every day. Okay. वही आएगा माइंड में. Exactly. Me, yes. वही आएगा माइंड में. तो जब मैं अपने बच्चे को ये बोलती हूँ ना कि बेटा तुम बेड पे मत उठो, या मैं अपने सन को बोलती हूँ कि नहीं, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम ऑन एंड क्लाइम ऑन मी टुडे, मम्मा डजंट हैव द पावर टुडे, तो मैं क्या लगता है वो आता नहीं है, वो भागता हुआ आता है. बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू, बिकॉज आई नो व्हेन आई से नो टू हिम ही विल डू इट. दैट्स हाउ ह्यूमन माइंड्स वर्क. I'll tell you another thing, okay, that I teach in my workshop also. Sit down. Make sure you don't stand up right now. Make sure you don't stand up right now. Okay. When I give a question like this to the child, that make sure you don't stand up right now, I am not telling the child what to do. When I am not telling the child what to do, the child doesn't know karna kya hai. Am I supposed to run? Am I supposed to sit? Am I supposed to crawl? Am I supposed to lie down? So our mind goes into double processing कि एक तो ये प्रोसेस करना है कि ये नहीं करना है, दूसरा मुझे ये प्रोसेस करना है कि मुझे करना क्या है. Okay, so please get used to finding ways with your little one कि तुम उसको मना कैसे कर रहे हो. Second, if your child is very strong-willed, then you have to have boundaries. A no is a no. अब जैसे अगर मेरा भी स्ट्रॉन्ग विल्ड बच्चा है, मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ कि भाई साहब आपने नहीं खानी है, अगर आपने आइसक्रीम नहीं खानी है, चॉकलेट नहीं खानी है तो नहीं खानी है, देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इन टू द फैक्ट ऑफ नहीं अभी तुम रो रहे हो तो मैं दे देती हूँ, नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैव सेट दैट बाउंड्रीज वे इन प्लेस. आपका बच्चा अभी भी छोटा है, आपका बच्चा 4 साल का है, सो आई विल से यू मैनेज द इन्वायरमेंट. वो चीज रखो ही मत जिसके लिए आपको लगता है बार बार पावर स्ट्रगल होती है. वो चीज करो, मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं टीवी की बात कर लूँ या फिर मैं जंक फूड की बात कर लूँ. जब मेरे घर में चॉकलेट ही नहीं होगी, पावर स्ट्रगल किस चीज़ की होगी. जब मेरे फ़ोन पे यूट्यूब ही नहीं होगा, जब मेरे क्या कहते हैं उसको, रिमोट सामने ही नहीं होगा, उसके लड़ाई किस चीज़ की होगी. राइट. सो योर चाइल्ड इज सेइंग नो टू वॉट एवर यू आर सेइंग. वाई? बिकॉज योर चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग इन टू अ पावर स्ट्रगल और वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग विल्ड है. सो रिमेंबर, a no बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आता है. I've said this many times. Children don't understand no. We also don't understand no. Brain doesn't process it. It requires more energy to process. It's called double processing. So you please tell your child what is required. Power struggle होगा, कोई problem नहीं है, कोई problem नहीं है. Why are you scared of your child? What are you scared of? The child is going to cry. बच्चा, सबके बच्चे रोते हैं. यहाँ पे कोई इसका ऐसा बच्चा है जो रोता नहीं है? Please type me. If there is any child here, anybody's child here who has never cried, please type me here. Okay? हर बच्चा at some point of time will cry. Every child will get into a power struggle. Every child will tell you you're the worst parent in the world. Every child will tell you you don't love me. Every child will some point of the time will have an ego clash with you. Every child does that at some point of the time. It's not only your child. So stop being scared of your child. Stop being scared of your child. Your child needs a parent who can guide, not a parent जो बोले वो मान जाए. That's not parenting. Your child needs boundaries. Your child needs someone who directs. योर चाइल्ड नीड समवन हु गिव्स फ्रीडम बट इनसाइड द बाउंड्री, जो बताए कि भाई दिस इज अलाउड, दिस इज नॉट अलाउड, दिस इज गुड, दिस इज बैड. Okay, so please, if all those parents who feel that they are scared of their children, don't do that. I have also used to be very scared of Zoravar's tantrums because it used to go on for 2 hours, and I used to avoid doing things. Why? Because uska tantrum shuru ho jayega. This is before I learned about positive discipline and everything that I have read till now about child psychology. Okay, this is normal. There is a way to deal with it. You cannot live scared of your child. I have seen पेरेंट्स जो जिनके बच्चे 9 साल 10 साल 12 साल के हैं, एंड द पेरेंट्स आर स्टिल स्कैर्ड. I'll tell you last example I'll give, and then I'm not going to take any more questions because I have to go, but listen to this very carefully and tell me if I am wrong as a parent or not. Okay, so I was doing a consultation and they had a huge problem about child का phone. Okay, मेरा बच्चा फोन नहीं छोड़ता है. मैंने कहा अच्छा तो आप क्या करते हो? कहते नहीं, हम उसको बहुत बार प्यार से बोल चुके हैं, मैं टाइमलाइन भी डाल चुकी हूँ, तो 6 बजे मेरे को फ़ोन दे दिया कर एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वो नहीं देता है. मैंने कहा फिर आप क्या करते हो? ठीक है, तो देन दे आर लाइक कि फिर मैं कुछ नहीं करती, फिर मैं इसको आधा घंटा और दे देती हूँ, फिर वो पावर स्ट्रगल में चले जाते हैं, बट दिस इरिटेट्स मी अलॉट. आई एम लाइक ठीक है फाइन. सो आई सेड अगर आपका बच्चा फ़ोन पे है और 6 बज गए हैं ऐसे, तब आप क्या करते हो? She said, I go and just tell her that, it's time. I said, next time you do this, you go there, you say, beta, 6 o'clock ho gaya, I know you can give me the phone. And the child might tell you, ki, meko nahi dena, I just want to watch this one. Then what do you do? So I told the mother, then you tell the child that, I know it's difficult for you to stop right now, but I give you 1 more minute, either you hand me over the phone or I will take the phone from you. You know what the mother said? But Divya, won't that be rude? मैं ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हूँ उसके साथ? मैंने कहा ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो मतलब? Like you have already told the child that I am going to take the phone from you if you are not able to give the phone to me. So you have already given the choice to the child कि either you give the phone to me or I will take from you. If your child is not able to give you the phone and you are going to take it from the child, then it's not rude. You have already told them and it's their choice not to give it to you, and there's nothing rude taking the phone out from a child's hand. She's like, nahi, that's very rude yaar. My child will cry. मैंने कहा if he is not crying then you're crying, because वो तो आधा घंटा और देख रहा है and he's not learning anything, he's not learning boundaries. So I said, think about it. Either you can keep giving half an hour to your child, and your child by now knows that mama will come at 6 o'clock, I will cry a little bit, she will give me another 30 minutes, and that's how it is. And you're not teaching your child any skill. You're not setting a boundary. And taking the child phone away from your child is not being rude to the child. I've given that option to the child to hand it over to me, but he has decided not to do it. So now I don't have any other option, but I'm going to take it from the child. Your role as a parent is to guide a child. Your role as a parent is to set boundaries. Your role as a parent is to make sure that you tell your child what is right, what is wrong, and guide your child. Okay? Don't be scared. Look at it like this. If your child is holding a glass of water, if your child is holding a glass of alcohol, okay, and he says, I'm going to drink it. You can ask him nicely, no, this is not good for you, give it to me. But your child says, no, I'll not give it to you. What are you going to say? अच्छा चल पी ले थोड़ी सी. नहीं बोलोगे ना. You will say कि नहीं बेटा, it's not good for you, I cannot let you have it. Either you give it to me or I'll take it from your hands. That's not being rude. That's been setting boundaries. Someone says, if I do this, he says, now I'm grown up, you cannot stop me from me. Your child is what, 9 years old? 9-year-old is not grown up. 9-year-old is not grown up. You can always say, once you're 18, you decide what you want to do, but right now, I am going to decide this for you. And we need to learn to keep our word. We need to learn to keep our promises. If you have told me by 6 o'clock you will switch off the phone, that means you need to learn how to switch it off. And if it is becoming difficult for you to switch it off, and if it is becoming difficult for you not to use it, then I'm sorry, I'm going to take it from you. And then what you do is you go back and you make a consequence out of it, but not there, not in the middle of the fight, not in the middle of setting boundaries. When he is calm, when you are calm after that incident, maybe the next day you tell, see, this happened yesterday, you're asking me for a phone again. Again, this entire scenario might happen that at 6 o'clock I'll come to you and ask you for the phone, and you will say, I'm not going to give it to you. This time, if you're not able to keep your promise, I will take the phone from you, and then no phone for dash number of days. It's very simple. Children cannot overpower you. Please understand that. आप ये जेंटल पेरेंटिंग के चक्कर में परमिसिव बनता जा रहे हैं. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पेरेंट्स गेटिंग परमिसिव. दे आर सो स्केर्ड ऑफ देयर चिल्ड्रन. फॉर व्हाट? Children are children only. I do not say go hit your child, shout on your child. No, I don't say that. I say be kind to your child, but at the same time be firm with your child. Be kind to your child, but be firm with your child. They need firmness. They need boundaries. They want they need you to tell them what is right, what is wrong, because their brain is not developed. They do not know what is happening outside in the world. They are not capable of doing it. And please leave this victimhood कि मैं क्या करूँ. I see a lot of mothers doing that. Please stop it. Mothers, stop being a victim to your child also. हाय मेरा बच्चा, उसको बुरा लग जाएगा. हाय मेरा बच्चे ने मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया. हाय मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ because my child says this to me, my in-law says this to me, my husband says this to me. No, you are the most powerful influence on your child. Just because your child is rude to you doesn't mean you have to be nice to your child because you want that, that at least ये तो मेरे से प्यार कर ले. Love is automatically there. Respect has to be earned. Do not give in your respect. Children will stop respecting you, trust me, if you just keep giving your own respect to them. Okay, with this I have to go now. Okay, it's 10:55 and I'll see you next Thursday at 11 o'clock. Chalo, bye bye and thank you so much for coming.